Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2 boxes of 2019 Topps Gold Label for Joshua. Good luck. We'll do those last. Good luck. Here we go. Merrifield, Correa, Molina, Verlander, 70 of 150. The man of the moment. For the Astros. Not so much if you're a Yankees fan, but Urias rookie, 14 of 99, Class 2 blue. Mattingly, Kikuchi, Senzel, Class 1 black, Kikuchi again. They're just beautiful cards. Jeter. Eloy Jimenez rookie, Class 3. The other card was J.D. Martinez. Syndergaard out of 150. Jimenez Class 3 again. Bryce Harper Class 1. Mike Trout, man, we got Trout on the front, Harper on the back. Good luck on the auto. Derek Rodriguez. Oh, our first redemption. Good luck, man. 28 of 75, Stephen Dugar. Framed, autographed, blue parallel. Nick Senzel, finally a bigger rookie. Josh, thanks, man. Congrats. Double autographs there. Dugar and a Senzel blue. Nice, Joshua. Thanks. If you want any more, let me know.